first thing you need to do is type in facebook.com. And this should load it up. And you need to log in first. And then you can have a look at this thing here, this little box here that says what's on your mind, Jake. And if you click here, I'm actually in my personal profile. And the way you can tell is whenever you're logged in and it says facebook.com at the top here, and you've got your little image here. This is my profile image. That's you. And what's on your mind, and it says your name. You click this, and then a little box appears and it says create post. And it's got your name, so it's you making this post, and you can post it to different groups. By default, it'll be your friends, but you can also do other things, which we won't go into now. And you can write a post. So I'll just put happy Friday, folks. And you can do other things like you can make it colored. If you click on this little button at the bottom, this AA button, you can have different frames and things like that. And you can add photos and videos, and you can tag people and other things. But I'm just going to talk about making a post. Then you just click post. And then it will say posting with a wheel. And then if you have a look, you can see my post here. Happy Friday, folks. And you can always go down. If you scroll down, this is the feed. So what's known as the feed. This is the company. I used to work for Workplace and I work for WhatsApp. Anyway, if you scroll up, you can see there's the post I've made. And that's how you do it. And a reminder, you just click on what's on your mind, post. And I'll just say post number 2. And I can post this just by clicking this button again, blue post, and it'll post it. And if you want to delete something, you can see it's just appeared now on my feed. You can click these 3 icons, 3 dots here. So you can just delete that 1 second. There's a number of ways you can delete it. You can put it in trash, or you can just do it like just me. And that means that only you can see the post. So that's what I'm just going to do for now. So I've shown you how to make a post, and I've also shown you how to hide a post or delete a post. Hope that's been helpful. Cheers.